Hey Ashi.
Hi.
So we got some updates on your building.
Yeah.
Is this your part two of the video?
Yes.
Very nice. So can you tell us what you've done now?
So one of the major updates on the top is the helipad. I built the helipad. It's a thin helipad, but I made it pretty stable. And this one of the second updates is I made the lift slower since it was too fast.
Can we have a look at it?
Yeah, so you can come here. So I put a bigger gear and a smaller gear, so the number of rotations is less and the lift moves a lot slower. And the third thing is I made a lot of interior design
Okay.
over here, and I made this balcony where Ambani is standing with the worker.
Okay.
And then I upgraded this. It's more stable now.
Okay.
And I mounted the battery box and the switch on the building.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you the lift, how slow it is now.
Okay. Nice. It's more controlled now, right?
Yeah.
That's good. I see a lot of walls have come up for the floors.
Yeah, a lot of walls are there, and I built like nice balconies here.
Okay.
And as you can see, there's a construction worker still building, so there's going to be a part 3.
Okay.
So, yeah.
That's about it. That's nice. Wonderful. Good job.